We won, guys. We actually won. Can you imagine that? Okay, wait. Let me start from the beginning. So, a few weeks ago, Trevor reached out on about how he wants us to go for a competition, about how we stand the chance of winning 2,000 USD. And I'm like, well, what do I have to do with my life, right? So, I'm in. Participants had to be at the hotel 8 a.m. Sunday morning. Lodging and feeding were to be taken care of by the hosts of the event. And trust me, we had no idea what we were up against. Oh, and by we, I mean my team, Team Innotech. Trevor, développeur par excellence. Destiny, he'll make all the calculations ready in no time. Elizabeth, prompt engineer. Emmanuel, designer like no other. And there's my humble self. Ha!
I forgot. Oh, I missed it.
You know what I'm saying? That's what's up.
You already know my team did not come here to play. So we already started with the brainstorming session. At this point, we had finished eating, finished chit-chatting, finished brainstorming, finished settling in, basically. And it was time for the real deal. Ha! I was scared. I can't lie. It was my first time. I was scared. I didn't know what to expect. But I was excited at the experience, though.
Solutions that will address the creative industries in Buea in particular and Cameroun at large.
After we got settled in, we had 1,001 talks. If you ask me, I hated it. I hated all of it. I just wanted to speak with my team, brainstorm, code, like not here. Anyways, it's not about me here. So like I was saying, we had many talks from all the sponsors. We had talks from UNDP, from Mountain Hub, from Orange Cameroun. Throughout this video, you'll be seeing some of the talks. There were a lot of them, I promise you. So, most importantly, anybody who has ever attended Mountain Hub's Hackathon would know Hackathon na chop. That's their slogan, Hackathon na chop, because like they don't be playing with their food. Imagine what time it is. It's past 5 and I'm only now going to hopefully sleep for like 1 hour, hopefully, and then get back. Probably less because it is well.
On the table. Rule number 2, no kind of cheers up and eating things. Rule number 3, no eating a bottle of water that has water inside. Because when your water spills, we disqualify your column. So if you know that you want to eat bottle, drink the water inside the bottle and finish.
I don't what?
I'm blue.
I don't what? I don't what now? You guys are such killjoys. I don't what now? That's what's up.
Ex-coders and we are going to be presenting to you younger. So, what is the...
Good evening, everybody. I'm Mercy Massa and we are Team Innotech. We are here to present to you Adon Blow. That's what's up. It is worth noting that on a platform that has big and that has a huge follower base as YouTube, Cameroun covers for only 1.7% of the creators on that platform. This makes it very difficult for us and for the creators to be able to export our Cameroonian culture and to be able to build a global followership. Now, these platforms also even offer a possibility of paying creatives, but they put in place a high threshold of viewership, of likes, of followership. That makes it quite difficult for creators to be able to make money from these platforms. That's exactly where Adon Blow comes in. Adon Blow makes it easy for the creatives to get that threshold number of views and eventually make money, get global recognition and export our culture. How does it work? Now, a creative goes to the platform, he decides he could either watch videos on the platform or pay money to the platform. Then, once he does that, our currency on this platform is BLC, we call it Blow Coin. It is converted into Blow Coin. Now, another user who is not a creative has the possibility of coming into this platform and just watching videos and earning money. That's our strategy to make people encouraged to come to our platform since they know they'll make money on this platform. Right? And the long-term plan is the creative gets to meet up the threshold, earns money from YouTube, and it's a win-win situation. Please can our video go on the
So here is mobile application. So since we are mostly focused on showcasing them out there, so basically what happens is when a creator comes to the application, he has already posted his content on this massive social media platform that's for followers. So when he basically comes, embeds that video or picture that's within the application into application. So when the viewer views the content there, it increases his followership, his users, and creating more engagement there. So then he can easily add a new post, a new feed to the application, and you can see them actually just here, you're going to do some videos that access for creators have posted on the platform. And also, we have a little big in case you find this content creative and want to encourage the creator, you can always give them a little token for this. Basically, you can also as well decide to chat or get in contact with the creator or the creative. But now, in order to do that, you have to pay a small fine because we don't just want anybody to be able to get to creative. Okay, so if you really want to get to him and find the service or his product interesting, you pay a little fine to get into contact with him, which that fine is then split between the application, that's us, and the creative. So we both in that process. So here we have a wallet where we can check your balance for how much you have. You can top up, buy Pro coins that you can use in the application, and yeah. So basically, that's basic first product we have developed. Thank you very much.
Okay. You see your first slide. So if I were an investor, I would leave the home. Because you're telling us about Cameroonian cuisine, and the first thing we see, I don't know, is black and whites having whether coffee or some whatever Indian food, which is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous.
Basically, after the coding sessions, we went straight up to pitching sessions, and we had members of jury who asked questions and gave our marks. But this was not disclosed to us until the final day of the innovation week. So right after the pitch, which was on a Tuesday, we went on with other activities. Other artists came on board. They came and presented. There were many talks. There were masterclasses. There were also more talks from more investors. So that's about how the week went on. I'm just going to go ahead to make us watch some of the presentations that followed.
They had a big thing that they were preparing, which was called Lisa. That was their new computer that Apple was developing. When Steve Jobs and his colleagues went to Xerox PARC, Xerox is the company that makes printers, the photocopiers and printers. That's the typical thing that they did. At the time, they were the dominant leader in computing.
Real fun. I want to share just some thoughts and on
Feeling like I'm so with you. That's the way I never do for you. Nah, I got fool so you don't say back to you. Let's eat that name, I just say I will go. I mean, I bet super blue.
I miss the peace. I miss the peace that comes with standing by the ocean, watching the sweet breeze cleanse my feet and wash my sunbathed spirit. I miss the serenity that comes with watching elders seated beneath big trees, breaking kola nuts and sharing words of wisdom. Today, we no longer break colors. Rather, we share pieces of cigarettes with fellow inmates, fellow criminals captured for no crimes, people that begin to come out for protest, people that begin to come out to go fight, people people are beginning to come out to go cry. This is how it all started. At the sight of dusk, the world's a mad race for survivor. I saw children, fathers, mothers, uncles, and aunts march in agony. I saw them march beneath the rain. I saw them march beneath the sun. I heard them echo freedom. I heard them echo justice. I heard them echo equality. I saw it. I saw it. I saw thunderous rains of pride pour upon the souls of men. The lament of the youth, widows, orphans became nothing. Nothing but fade as one old man's armpit. They sat and they laughed and mocked and laughed and mocked at our pain. I saw it.
Took a 48-hour hackathon, a tempest of innovation with the theme of talent.
Fast forward to a few days later, and it's finally the day of the results, le jour de résultat. It started with a conference, we had many speeches as usual, and then to crown it all, at the end, we had the results.
And as the sun set on the
One would wonder, is it actually possible to want something, to want the best out of life so bad and actually get it just the way you pictured it? I mean, is it actually possible that your village people will forget or will come late for an event that's life-changing for you? Is that even possible? I mean, I guess this all just served as a reminder to me anyways, and I suppose the rest of my team members. It was a reminder that yes, it's possible. Yes, it's possible. Believe in it much, believe in it enough, put in the work enough, and yes, it's possible.